Designing a hoodie in Printify is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can design a stunning hoodie in Printify. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Printify and I have logged into my account and I'm at the dashboard. Now here you simply have to click on this catalog, and here I'm going to click on this men clothing, and I'm going to click on this hoodies. Now it will take me to the hoodies section. You need to select any of the hoodie that you want to design. So I'm just going to select any of the hoodies. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on this start designing. Now here it will take me to the designer page. Now it totally depends upon your creativity, however you want to design. There are different options that you can use. You can put the image from your device, you can put the image from Dropbox, Google Drive. You can also hire a Fiverr expert who will do the job for you. You can also put the image from Shutterstock, or you can add the text, or there is an AI image generator as well. You can do that as well. So you just need to, design it according to your choice and according to your creativity. So that's pretty much it. That's all you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.